Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to get into my eyes only on Snapchat without passcode. So I'll be showing you various methods. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before getting started, make sure to update your application. In case you haven't updated the application, then make sure to head towards your device's Play Store and then on the search box type in Snapchat and then tap on update button if it is available. So after updating your application, so make sure to check your internet connection as well. So open up your Snapchat application. So after you tap on the Snapchat application, tap on the icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. So once you tap on it, on the other page you have all the pictures that you've taken from the Snapchat or from the camera roll as well. So all you have to do is swipe towards your left hand side and then right at the bottom there is an option called My Eyes Only. So let me remind you that without entering your passcode, you'll not be able to access My Eyes Only. So in order to get access, you'll have to enter the passcode. Otherwise, you'll not be able to do that without a passcode. So let's say that if you want to update your current password and then create a new one. In case you have forgotten your passcode and you're not able to access it, you can see right at the bottom there is an option. So just simply tap on it. So once you do that, you have two different options. So either you want to change your passcode or either you have forgotten your passcode. In case you want to change your passcode, then it is mandatory you have to enter the current password. And in case you have forgotten your passcode, then you'll have to provide some other information and then you'll be able to create a new one. So for now, I'll go with forgot passcode. So you can see that as I've mentioned before that you'll have to provide some other information. So right over here, you'll have to provide your password that is associated with your Snapchat account. So then you must enter the correct password. So once you're done entering your password, just tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So after you enter your correct password, then you'll be able to access this kind of feature. So after that, there is an update. So make sure to go through it and then mark on the terms and conditions and then tap on continue. Now you get to create a new passcode. So make sure to create a new passcode and then make sure to note it down somewhere so that you don't forget it. So once you're done, once again you'll have to confirm it. You can see that the passcode has been set and once again there is terms and conditions. So make sure to mark on I understand and then tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So now you'll be able to access My Eyes Only. So that is the only alternative method on how you can get into My Eyes Only on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.